Morning students, today we are going to discuss with the microorganism friend and foe exercise question answers we are going to discuss. Before we could start, I hope you all are fine studying for your examination. Prepare a proper schedule and study for your examination. So now we are seeing about the first question, that is about the fill in the blanks. The first question is microorganism can be seen with the help of microscope. The microorganisms can be seen with the help of a microscope. The fill dash is microscope. Blue green algae fixes dash directly from the air to enhance fertility, that is nitrogen. So nitrogen, blue green algae fixes atmospheric nitrogen to increase the fertility of soil. Then alcohol is produced with the help of yeast. We are using yeast to go for fermentation and prepare alcohol. Then cholera is caused by bacteria because it is a bacterial disease. Then the first fill in the blank is microscope, second is nitrogen, third one is yeast, and fourth one is bacteria. Then the second question is tick the correct answer. You can take your textbook and sit and see, check the answer. Yeast is used in the production of sugar, alcohol, hydrochloric acid, oxygen. So it is alcohol. The following is an antibiotic, that is sodium bicarbonate and streptomycin, alcohol and yeast. So streptomycin is an antibiotic. Carrier of malaria causing protozoan is female anopheles mosquito, cockroach, housefly, butterfly. So the correct option is female anopheles mosquitoes. Then fourth is the most common carrier of communicable diseases ant, housefly, dragonfly, spider. So that is housefly. The bread answer is housefly. The bread or idli dough rises because of a heat, grinding, growth of yeast cell, kneading. So the correct answer is growth of yeast cell. Then the fourth one is the process of conversion of sugar into alcohol is called nitrogen fixation, moulding, fermentation and infection. So the correct answer is fermentation. Then the third question is match the following. In this one we are having in column A bacteria, rhizobium, lactobacillus, yeast, protozoan and virus. And in B column we are having fixing nitrogen, setting of curd, baking of bread, causing malaria, causing cholera, causing AIDS, producing antibiotics. So the first one bacteria will be for causing cholera. Bacteria is for causing cholera. Rhizobium fixing nitrogen. Lactobacillus setting of curd. Yeast will be using it for baking. Yeast is used for baking a bread. A protozoan is causing malaria. Virus is for causing AIDS. Then the next question is, can microorganism be seen with the naked eye? If not, how can they be seen? So can you see the microorganism with the help of your naked eye? The name itself micro means it is very small. So we cannot see with our naked eye. So what can we do? How can we see? We can see with the help of a microscope. So you can write the answer like this. The microorganism cannot be seen with our naked eye because they are very small in size. Some of these, such as fungus growing on bread, can be seen with a magnifying glass. Others cannot be seen without the help of microscope. Means without the help of microscope we can't able to see this microorganism. The next question is about write a short paragraph on harms caused by microorganism, because microorganisms to some extent they are helpful for us as well as they are dangerous for us. So the answer how you can write is like microorganisms are harmful to us in many ways. Like for example, microorganism called as pathogen causing disease in human, plants, healthy food through air, water, contaminated food and insects, infected person by direct or indirect contact or by the carrier. Common alignment like cold, influenza, cough, polio, chickenpox are caused by viruses. Foot and mouth diseases in the cattle are also caused by viruses. Typhoid, tuberculosis, TB are caused by bacteria. Anthrax is a dangerous human cattle disease which can be caused by the bacteria. So this is how you will be writing the answer for harmful of microorganisms for us. Then the next question which we will be discussing is about the last question, that is before we go for this question, in your textbook question number 6 is given as what are the major group of microorganisms. Major group of a microorganism we have discussed like virus, protozoa, bacteria and fungi. Then name the microorganism which can fix atmospheric nitrogen in the soil, that is Rhizobium bacteria. Then write 10 lines usefulness of microorganism. For us we are having about the usefulness of microorganisms. For us, for setting of curd, making bread, for cleaning the environment, increasing the soil fertility. Then antibiotics will be created with the help of this one. Baking of curd, bread, all these are being the importance for us. Then next is what are antibiotics, what precautions must be taken while taking antibiotics. So antibiotics are the antibodies which will be there in our body. This will kill or stop the growth of the disease causing microorganism in our body. We call it as antibiotics. And what precautions must be taken while taking this one, as you know that it is killing or stopping the disease causing microorganism. If we are not taking precautions, at the time it is going to become dangerous. If we are not taking proper treatment, or if it is less dose or overdose, in both the cases it is going to be harmful. So how are you going to write it? Is antibiotics are the medicines which kill or stop the growth of disease causing microbes. They are manufactured by growing specific microorganisms. They are used to cure variety of diseases. Now how to take? It is important to remember that antibiotics should be taken only when the advised of a qualified doctor. Also, you must have to complete the course prescribed by the doctor. If you take antibiotics when not needed in wrong dose, it may make the drug less effective when you might need it in future. Also, antibiotics taken unnecessary may kill the beneficial bacteria in the body. Antibodies, however, are not effective against cold, flu, as these are caused by viruses. So which are caused by viruses, these antibiotics will not be effective for us. With this one we will be ending it. You will be completing your exercise questions of this lesson and you will be submitting it to me by Friday. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.